Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select who can send you direct messages on TikTok. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the TikTok application. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on these three bars in the top right corner. Now go for this settings and privacy. Now go for this second option, privacy, and in privacy you can see all these messages here. And now you can see this option allow direct messages from. Just simply tap on it and now you can see this first option, tap on it and now you can see this there are options everyone, suggested friends or no one. So select this whatever you want. If I'm going for this everyone like friends, if I'm going for this only my friends, and then my only friends can send me direct messages, no one else. And if I don't want that anyone can send me message, I'm going for this no one. Now no one will be able to send me direct message. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.